let's start with individual coherence, because you're here to learn some tools. What is that? Most of you who were here the other night saw this chart. Those of you who weren't, which was quite a few of you, this is based upon research at the Institute of Heart Math, which was published in the American Journal of Cardiology, showing for the first time the critical link between emotions and the physical heart. And I'm not going to have time in this talk, because I want to get you to the tools to explain this in depth. But basically what you're looking at here is what's called a heart rate variability pattern, which is showing the graph, the plotting of the beat-to-beat intervals of your heart rate. And there's a rhythm to it. And that rhythm reveals our emotional state. And when we're frustrated, worried, anxious, that top graph is what our heart rhythm pattern looks like. And the more frustrated, the more angry, the more anxious, the more hurt, the more judgmental, the more we're engaged in negative emotions, the more jagged and chaotic that heart rhythm pattern looks. And it feels like that inside, like an earthquake, right? Now the bottom graph is the same person having used one of these tools we're going to teach you for individual coherence, tools for the shift. And what that person did was shift the heart rhythm pattern into this smooth, ordered, harmonious, beautiful sine wave state. And what sine wave is called a coherent rhythm in physics. So what we found, even more so than the harmonious feelings that positive emotions like appreciation, love, and care give us, they're very regenerative for us. They actually enhance our cognitive function too. They help open up our higher thinking and intuitive capacities in our frontal lobes, and we all need more of that. Whereas when you're feeling stress, we have cortical inhibition. Our brain shuts down, we can't think as clearly. So we have dysfunctional homes, dysfunctional workplaces, because our culture is stress-driven and we think somehow that's going to make us more productive. And when we learn how to do these quick shifts, we can be more healthful and productive. So, to make it real simple, incoherence is communicated from the heart to the brain. Brain shuts down or is inhibited. Lots of fight-flight hormones come into effect, affecting our health and our perceptions and our reactions. Out of sync. Shifting into heart coherence. Heart tells brain everything's harmonious, body feels good, brain feels good, opens up. Higher perceptual capacities, we're in sync, or in the zone, or in the flow. So, we're going to keep it real simple. We want to be able to shift from the left graph to the right graph at will, right? The first shift tool, tools for the shift, I'm going to teach you. It is deceptively simple. This was researched in the laboratory at the Institute of Heart Math, and this process will take you into that heart coherent state. So, let's all do this together. Let's practice this for a moment. What I want you to do first, and close your eyes so you can feel what's happening inside you. It may take a little practice to actually get the feeling of it. Focus. The first step is heart focus. They're all important, these three steps. So focus your attention in the area of your heart, in the center of your chest. Now just doing that can be a challenge in the middle of the day when you're running around, the mind wants to take back hold. So use some meaningfulness and genuine intention to shift mind into heart. Step 2, heart breathing. As you focus on the heart, imagine your breath is flowing in and out through your heart area. Some people do like to put their hands in their heart because it helps bring the energy there and keep your focus there. But it's a focus in the heart, and then imagine the breath going in and out through the heart area, so like you're breathing in through that area of your chest and breathing out. It helps anchor your attention and energy there from head to heart. Heart breathing helps your mind and energy stay focused while your respiration and heart rhythms can synchronize. So breathe slowly and gently, and do this until your breathing feels smooth and balanced, not forced. Now we're going to add the third step, and this is the most important step to help us shift into those sine wave-like coherent rhythms and stay there a while. And it's called heart feeling. As you continue to breathe through the area of your heart, so you're combining heart focus, heart breathing, and now heart feeling. As you can continue to breathe through that area, recall a positive feeling. A time when you felt good inside, and try to re-experience it. Heart feeling could be a feeling of appreciation or care toward a pet, a loved one, a special person, a place you enjoyed. The important thing isn't to think about or visualize those situations, but allow yourself to really feel the feeling of appreciation or care about that person, place, pet, or experience. Sitting in coherence helps you build resilience, helps your emotional energy accumulators fill up with positive, resilient energy. Okay, let's come back.